Did you know that Elon Musk is one of the richest people in the world? As of 2024, his net worth is over $428 billion, and he earns millions of dollars every year through his companies like Tesla, SpaceX, and more. But how did Elon Musk achieve this incredible success? Was he always this wealthy? Today we'll explore the inspiring story of Elon Musk, a man who turned his dreams into reality through hard work, determination, and big ideas. Elon Musk is admired by millions of people around the world. Some call him a genius, while others see him as a visionary who is shaping the future. He is often compared to great inventors like Thomas Edison and Nikola Tesla because of his incredible contributions to technology and science. People admire him not just because he is wealthy, but because of his determination to solve the world's biggest problems. Elon Musk's bold ideas and fearless approach to challenges have inspired people to dream bigger and work harder. Many fans look up to Elon as a role model. They see him as someone who proves that no matter where you come from, you can achieve greatness with hard work and persistence. His story is shared in schools, books, and documentaries, motivating students, entrepreneurs, and dreamers across the globe. Even critics, who may not agree with all of his decisions, admit that his ambition and achievements are extraordinary. Elon's ability to think ahead and take risks has earned him a loyal following on social media, where millions of people follow his updates and ideas. Whether he is sharing news about a rocket launch or tweeting about his latest project, Elon Musk never fails to capture the world's attention. His fans admire how he remains focused on his mission to make life better for humanity, even when faced with criticism or failure. Elon Musk's journey shows us that success is not just about money. It's about making a difference. People admire him because he dares to think differently and believes in creating a brighter future for everyone. Let's dive deeper into his story to see how he became one of the most admired people in the world. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. From a young age, Elon showed a deep curiosity about the world around him. He loved reading books and learning new things. By the time he was 10 years old, he had developed a strong interest in computers and taught himself how to code. At the age of 12, he created his first computer game called Blastar, which he sold for $500. This early achievement was a sign of his intelligence and creativity. Elon's childhood was not easy. He was often bullied at school and felt lonely. However, instead of letting these challenges discourage him, Elon focused on his passions. He dreamed of one day creating something that would change the world. His love for technology and science grew stronger with time, and he began to think about how he could use his knowledge to solve big problems. As a teenager, Elon decided he wanted to move to the United States, the land of opportunity. He believed that America was the best place to turn his dreams into reality. At the age of 17, he moved to Canada to attend Queen's University. After 2 years, he transferred to the University of Pennsylvania in the United States, where he earned degrees in physics and economics. Elon's time in college was filled with hard work and big dreams. He often thought about the future and how he could make a difference in the world. After graduating, he moved to California to pursue his dreams in technology and business. In California, Elon started his first company, Zip2, with his brother Kimball Musk. Zip2 was a software company that helped newspapers create online directories. The company became very successful, and in 1999, it was sold for $307 million. Elon received $22 million from the sale, which gave him the financial freedom to work on bigger ideas. Next, Elon founded xcoms.com, an online payment company. This later became PayPal, which revolutionized the way people send and receive money online. In 2002, PayPal was sold to eBay for $1.5 billion. Elon used his earnings to fund his ambitious projects, including SpaceX and Tesla. Elon Musk has always been fascinated by space. He believes that humanity's future lies in becoming a multiplanetary species. In 2002, he founded SpaceX, with the goal of making space travel more affordable and eventually colonizing Mars. In the early years, SpaceX faced many challenges. The first 3 rocket launches failed, and the company was on the verge of bankruptcy. But Elon didn't give up. He believed in his mission and worked tirelessly to overcome the obstacles. In 2008, SpaceX successfully launched its Falcon 1 rocket into orbit, becoming the first private company to achieve this feat. Since then, SpaceX has made history with achievements like reusable rockets, the Falcon Heavy, and the Starship, which is designed for missions to Mars. People admire Elon for his vision and determination to push the boundaries of what is possible. SpaceX has inspired a new generation of scientists and engineers to dream big and work toward exploring the universe. In 2004, Elon Musk joined Tesla Motors, a company focused on creating electric cars. Elon's goal was to make electric vehicles affordable, efficient, and popular worldwide. Under his leadership, Tesla developed groundbreaking cars like the Model S, Model 3, and Model X. Tesla's success has transformed the automotive industry. Today, Tesla is one of the most valuable car companies in the world, and its vehicles are admired for their innovation and design. Elon's work with Tesla has also raised awareness about the importance of sustainable energy and reducing carbon emissions. Fans of Elon Musk admire him for his commitment to creating a better future. Through Tesla, he has shown that businesses can be both profitable and environmentally friendly. Elon Musk's achievements don't stop with SpaceX and Tesla. He has founded several other companies, each with a unique mission. For example, the Boring Company. This company focuses on building underground tunnels to reduce traffic congestion in cities. Neuralink, a company developing technology to connect the human brain with computers. Solar City, a solar energy company that promotes the use of renewable energy. Elon's ability to work on multiple projects at once and succeed in different industries is something that people deeply admire. Despite his success, Elon Musk has faced criticism and challenges throughout his career. Some people think his goals are too ambitious, while others disagree with his management style. However, Elon remains focused on his mission and uses criticism as motivation to improve. Fans admire him for his resilience and ability to stay positive even during difficult times. Elon's story shows that failure is not the end, it's just a stepping stone to success. Today, Elon Musk is more than just a businessman. He is a symbol of innovation, determination, and hope. His story inspires people to think big, work hard, and never give up on their dreams. Whether it's exploring space, creating sustainable energy, or solving traffic problems, Elon Musk's work continues to shape the future. Elon's fans admire him because he is not afraid to take risks and tackle the world's biggest challenges. He has shown that one person can make a difference and change the world. Elon Musk's life teaches us the power of curiosity, hard work, and persistence. He reminds us that no dream is too big, and no challenge is too difficult if you are willing to put in the effort. Are you inspired by Elon Musk's story? What lessons can you apply to your own life? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories that help you learn English and stay motivated. Together, let's keep dreaming and working toward a brighter future.